Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to practice the sp blend. S makes a sound S. P makes a sound P. When we put these two together, we get sp. Pinpoint. Now let's practice reading some sp words together. Spin. Spin. Spill. Spill. Spot. Spot. Space. Space. Spade. Spade. Spoon. Spoon. Spell. Spell. Spider. Spider. Sport. Sport. Splash. Splash. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. See you next time. Bye bye.